guys, what is up, and welcome back to another Bitlife episode on the Striker channel on the internet, where today we are going to be trying to get the crazy cat lady ribbon in Bitlife. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Right, Cooper Crappo, what a great name. First we have to be a female for this challenge. And yeah. So pretty much no friends. What we need to do, we need to have literally no friends. I'm looking at the requirements right now. No relationships. Skip all funerals. Refuse to go. Oh, I actually do have a cat. Ooh, reward. So you're gonna wanna hate your parents, but love your cat. So this should be pretty easy. Yeah, pretty much like that. And hate your mother and father, but you want to have a good relationship with your cat. Oh, eyesight exam. Well, that's so easy. It's right there. Oh no, buttons died. Ooh, I'm not interested in that. Alright, we need to up my smarts. Alright. Pet. Cat. Yeah. Just grab a new one. Thank you very much. Mother. On a walk to McDonald's. Okay. Betsy the Boy Wonder. You mean Jimmy Neutron? I'd rather stay home, by the way. Didn't get my driving test. Hill ahead, dangerous decline. Yeah. I got a comma. Your friend, the Eternal Optimist, is caught material by sharing all the good things that have come from being in self-quarantine. Although you're not really in the mood, she asks you to choose which positive benefit resonates with you the most. More time like Bitlife. The politics subject was the best. It really was. Alright, instead of going to university, we're gonna get a job. Because we don't want to get academic or anything, you know? That's kind of silly of us. Electrician. Compassionate. Yeah. Because I'm very compassionate towards my cat. Alright. Have a good relationship with your cat. And you gotta hate your mother. Bedwetter. Scallywag. Coward. Now she hates me. Now time to insult my stepsisters. Slunt. Twit. Maniac. Twit. She keeps calling me a twit. Whoa, our relationship just improved. Snollygoster. Alright, let's insult Ross Black. A-word hat. Vulture. Obtuse bitch. Okay. Well, we probably need to get another cat. We need to have 30 cats in our life to get the ribbon. So let's get some more kittens. Not kittens, cats. So I think we can have them maybe like 5 at a time. Costs a lot of money, by the way. Haha, I'm now an electrician. I'm gonna insult you. Pumpkin head, chicken head. Abomination to mankind, pleb. That's not even an insult. Pleb isn't even an insult. Alright, anyway. I need to get some more cats. Oh yeah, I need a house. I forgot I didn't have a house. Alright, let's buy a house. What if I won the lottery? Nope. Alright, I need to get a house. So, where's the house at? Oh yeah, go shopping. Alright. We can't even afford a house. Alright, let's get tiny house. 37 years old. How about we buy something a little more expensive? 173 years old. Alright, let's buy this condo. Well, do the condos allow pets, though? Alright, we're just gonna get a really cheap house, okay? We can almost buy it, so I think I'm just gonna age a year. Make sure my cats love me. Alright, perfect. Good. Just gotta age a year. Stepfather left a fake spider on my desk and sold. Yeah. Oh my god, he attacked me! Excuse me. We're gonna sue him. What? I can't sue him. That's awful. Just because I called him a name, he attacked me. Alright, let's get a studio. Which means now I can get some more cats, maybe? No, what do you mean? Just bought a house. Whatever. Maybe I need a bigger house. Sell it for $2,700. No one wants to buy it. Damn it, we've only had like 5 cats in our life. Actually, only 4. Darn. Salter, weirdo. Alright, well, we need to get a better house. Toe bump. Uh-oh. That's not good. Bunnies. Oh, no. No! Olive died. Rip. Get an F in the chat for Olive. Alright, let's get another cat. Alright, well, I guess we need to buy a bigger house, because we don't have a big house right now, so let's go buy a bigger house. First, we need to sell my other house. Alright. Ooh, a haunted Santa Fe home. Ooh, it's haunted. Ooh, haunted bungalow. Alright, we'll buy it. It's a haunted house, okay? It is a haunted house. I think we'll be fine, okay? It's not like we could encounter a ghost or anything. Alright, so let's get some more cats. There we go. Alright, now we can get more cats than 3. let's get another cat. We need maybe 5 at once would be okay. Oh my goodness, he's crazy. Wow. Right. We need chill cats. Right, they gotta be chill. Also honor of National Pretzel Day. I don't like pretzels. I actually love pretzels, they're so good. Well, I don't really care. So we've had 7 cats in our life. That's good. We also have to have no more relationships. No one should attend our funeral. So let's go ahead and insult him. We gotta make him hate me so he doesn't go to our funeral. Ow! Oh my god, really? We're gonna sue him. Well, we won the will, haha. Oh, they all hate me. Good, 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 good. We want them to hate me. Alright, can we get another cat? Maybe, maybe not. Which one's like a snowball? Oh, no, I can only get 5 at once with my current house. Okay. Oh, no, FIV. Oh, no, we lost 2 cats in a year. RIP. Alright. Well, it's actually alright, because that means we can get new cats. Carbon, and... Oh, no, Kiana Morgan kind of likes us. Insult her. Ow! She attacked me? Okay, we don't want to attack anyone. We don't want to insult anyone, because they might attack us, and we do not want to die. Alright, well, we really do not want to die at this point. We really need to get the ribbon. What if we could do it first attempt? That would be amazing if we could do it first attempt. Alright, I think we can also get one more cat. So I'm going to do that really quick. So how much should we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, almost a third of all the cats we need. Well, you need 30 cats, and 30 is a very big number. You know, that's a very, very big number. Actually, it's not that big of a number. A street fight with another cat. RIP. Alright. Well, we gotta get another cat now. We also want to live pretty long. Alright, so I think this is going to be our 10th cat, so we've satisfied a third of the requirements. No! Dang it. No, it's because it's because my car died. Alright, we gotta get a new car, and we're gonna see if they will accept us back. Let's get a Nissan Titan. Come on. Electrician. You're 8 years old. Advice to an 18-year-old. Be yourself. Ha ha ha. We now have an even better job. Shredded my favorite sofa. Trying not to do that. Silly kitty. Oh yeah, we have so much. I've developed an unhealthy obsession with milk. Maybe because you're surrounded by cats every day. Alright. Well, we might need to buy a bigger house. How much is this worth? Spirits. Travis Lovato. Oh. Okay. Ooh, it's worth a lot of money. Dang, no one wanted to buy it. How about we try again? Rip. Alright, gangster. That's such a low voltage live wire. Hey, don't get shocked, buddy. I hate you, Kiana Morgan. Ow! Oh my. Okay, I forgot. I do not want to attack them. Okay? Because I don't want to get killed. But we need to buy a bigger house, okay? Alright. Sell it. 100,000? Okay. We need to get a bigger house. Something like a mid-century home. And now we should be able to get more cats. Hopefully. No, really? Oh, man. Oh, we found her. Okay, good. Well, we need some, as much as I hate to say it, we need some of our cats to die so we can get some more. But we really need to buy a bigger house. And also, I do not want to get the Monopoly ribbon because I keep selling my house. No one wants to buy my house. There you go, we'll sell it to you. Goodness, I might actually be getting the Monopoly ribbon, and I do not want to do that. Haunted Palace, but it's so expensive. Why is it so expensive for a haunted house? Alright, let's get a mortgage on a Cape Cod home. Insufficient finances. Darn, okay. Now we don't have a house. No, died. No, bye-bye, Mila. Rep. No, 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 no. Wait, is that a chicken? Oh, no, it's a hamster. Alright. Oh yeah, I forgot I don't have any. Okay, whatever. Alright, we need to buy a house. Butt Avenue. Dang it, they're not gonna let me mortgage it. Well, let's just get a Cape Cod home. Oh, rip Marcus. Rip Luna. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're about to get 13. Okay. Now, can we get more? Dang it, full house. Alright. I kind of want to win the lottery or something so I can buy a big house for my cats. Very big house. So I'm going to try and win the lottery. Nope, didn't win. No, bye-bye carbon. Alright, good. Now a lot of our cats are going to die. Which is good. That's what I want, okay? Hate to say it, but that's what I want, so I can get the ribbon. I'll walk through the cemetery to see my buried dead cats. That's kind of ironic. Wow, okay, now everyone's gonna start dying, which is good, okay? Okay, I want them to die. They're not real. If they were real, I wouldn't want them to die, but they're not real, okay? So it's good. It's all good. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we've done halfway. So 45 plus 45 is 90. So we'll be 90 by the time we finish this ribbon if we keep going at the same rate. Which is not good. We need to buy a bigger house. And to get a bigger house, gotta win the lottery, but we didn't win the lottery. Dang it. Alright. Can we sell this house? No one wants to buy it, okay. Well, can we get a job that gives us more money? Okay. Goodness gracious. Alright, let's sell our house so we can get a bigger house. Because Monopoly, you know. There we go. Alright. Craftsman home. Really? I can't get a mortgage. Okay. Floyd Wigglesworth. Are you kidding me? Now we should have enough money to buy some houses. Come on, we have $500,000. I'm gonna buy a haunted house, okay? Okay, we'll buy a haunted house. It's not like we could get haunted. It's really low chance of getting haunted, you know. I doubt we'd get haunted. Honestly, doubt we'd get haunted. Aliens? I don't believe in aliens. Alright, well, we desperately need to get more cats. Or else we're not gonna get the ribbon. Dang, we have a full house. Okay. I might actually get the lottery ribbon unintentionally because of all this shenanigans. Who's the spirit? Jackie Harvey. He's not even active. No one wants to buy the house. There we go. Finally, one of my... Oh, no. Alright, we need to get a new car really quick, or else I'm going to be kicked out of my job. Oh, gosh. Assets, shopping. Oh, go get a really cheap car, but a good car. We want it to be new. Alright, there we go. We need to get a new cat now. Can we get a better job? Ooh, yes, please. Yeah, okay, now we're gonna get a lot of money. Oh, run over by a car. Rip. Lefty. Alright. I think now we have like... Oh, he did not like the oatmeal. Alright, sorry, Lefty. Dang, we're almost 30 minutes in on the episode. We haven't even finished our first life. If we don't get this, I'm gonna be sad. Yeah, oh my goodness, 100,000. We're gonna get paid. Alright, now we need to... Oh, rip. Okay, a lot of our cats are dying. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Alright, and we're 55. Alright, we're doing good, okay? Oh, he hated the chili pepper. I can't really control what I give him. Yeah, so it's just kind of random if he likes it or not. Pumpkin. I just know I don't want to get the Monopoly ribbon because I keep selling my houses, and that's how you get the Monopoly ribbon, by selling your houses. Okay, we'll take the offer. Right, now we have a lot of money. Now we can buy a good house. Alright, how about Floyd Wigglesworth? Alright, I think we're gonna go with Lux Realty. Again, it's a haunted house, but it's not bad, alright? Now maybe we can get more cats. Dang it. Oh man, 2 in the same year. Alright. One, two, three, 4. Then we gotta get one more. Pip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay. So we only need 9 more cats, really. Also, Lefty has been with us. Or who's the oldest cat we have? I guess it's Odin, right? Yeah, Odin. It's Shark Week. Dun 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 dun. Alright. We're getting older, but we're not a senior citizen yet, which is good, which is very good. Our health is 100%. Ow! Oh my god. I hate it when they attack me, because I do not want to die. My stepfather died. RIP. Alright, I don't want to have a haunted house. Alright, let's put it on the market. Alright, we'll take the offer. I lost $10,000. Okay. That's fine, that's fine. How about we get a nice, good old Lux Realty. How about Floyd Wigglesworth, alright? Let's get a Craftsman home. Now, can we please get more than 5 cats at once? Dang it. Alright, we're going into old age. Good, good, good. Okay, I'm glad our cats are dying. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Alright. Only need 8 more. Hoping we don't die. It's not like we have any illnesses, so we should be good. Skeezy. We fell off a roof? how did he get up on the roof? Wait. I think the secret is to buy old cats. Right, that's the secret. The secret is to buy old cats. Alright, I think that is the secret to getting this ribbon. Buy old cats. Right, we don't have a good relationship with a lot of our cats, honestly. We gotta spend more time with them. rip Odin. Rip Pip. Ooh, good. Okay. Good. We also shouldn't buy any more houses or anything, or else we're gonna get the Monopoly ribbon. But again, the key to this ribbon is to buy old cats so they die. And that sounds very, very mean, because it is very, very mean. I guess we're like a psychopath in our life. We're not even a senior citizen yet. So we have, wait, first we gotta get our relationship up, okay? Wow, we're almost 40 minutes in on the episode. No. Okay, Tara doesn't like me that much, honestly. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, only 5 more cats. So as soon as all these guys die, we should be good. Ooh, we're now a senior citizen. Okay. Good. Now, okay, after we get a new cat, well, we only need 4. So get an old cat, of course. Foxy. Alright. And Tara never really liked me in the first place. We gotta get our relationship with Tara up before she dies. She's 4 years old. It's pretty old. They usually die at like 6, I think. No, don't need to go to the veterinarian. We want you to die. It sounds so mean. We want you to die. If I was a crazy cat lady, number 1, I can't be because I'm a boy, but if I was, I definitely wouldn't want my cats to die. But this is a video game, and you do stupid stuff in video games. My mom died. Skip it. Okay, good. Lefty finally died. Alright, after this new cat, we're going to only need 3 more. Alright? Chi-Chi. Alright, Chi-Chi. I'm glad none of our cats have killed each other yet. Because that happened a lot during our Tarzan ribbon video. Okay, good. Oh, after being attacked by a tiger, cat versus cat. Right, after this cat, we're only going to need 2 more. Alright. Wait, how old is B? Okay, good. I accidentally thought I bought a kitten. Alright, we're getting older, and that's not what I want. I do not want to be old. Also, I want to retire really quick. Oh, okay, in 4 years I can retire. So I'll be like 72, right? Yeah. Six, 9. We don't need friends. Oh no, Kiana Morgan kind of likes us. Ooh, but I don't want to fight her because... But I don't want to fight her because... I'm just gonna hope she dies. We don't want her to go to our funeral. If anyone goes to your funeral, you won't get the ribbon. So we don't want to make any friends, and I'm gonna hope that Kiana Morgan dies. How old is Kiana Morgan? 67 years old? Okay. Dang it, when are our cats gonna die? Come on. Die. Dang it, everyone's still alive. Okay, no friends, and now we can retire. Oh no, we're losing money. Oh no. Alright, it's okay. We still have a lot of money. Okay, good. Okay, we just need one more cat after this. If we fail, I'm gonna be so upset. Did I just buy a kitten? I think I just bought a kitten. Okay, I did not buy a kitten. I bought a 1-year-old cat, so like a child. Okay, how old is you? 12 years old! Okay, you guys need to start dying. You guys need to start dying or I'm gonna start dying. And that's not what I want. I do not want to die. Because that means I will lose the run. Alright. Come on, someone needs to die. Okay, my car broke. It's okay. Dang it, all of our cats are still alive! Just die already. What are you? You're 14 years old. Come on. I swear, if we lose the run. Really? You're like 16 years old. 17 years old, and you're still alive. We're like 40 minutes into the episode. If I lose this... There we go! Took you long enough to die. 18 years old. You're a boomer. Alright, make sure we have a good relationship. Oh no. I just said make sure we have a good relationship. Alright, so how much cats do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Alright, now we need to insult Kiana Morgan. Or just give her a gift that she's just not gonna like. Penis enlargement pills. What if she likes it, though? Okay, just insult her. Okay, good. Okay, good. She hates me now. Dang, I keep giving my cats meals that they do not like. There we go, they like that. They like walking. Meat stick. Alright, I think we're gonna get the ribbon, guys. I think we are going to get the ribbon. Okay, good. Just get more cats. More cats, the better. I think we have 31 cats now, so we have more than the required 30. Now we just don't want anyone to go to our funeral. Yeah, they all hate me. She kinda likes me, but it's still in the orange, so I doubt she'll go to our funeral. And then we might even be able to outlive her. She's 79, so she might even die. Bye-bye, bee. Come on, guys. We gotta get the ribbon. We're like 45 minutes in. 46 minutes in. Goodness gracious. Rip Chi-Chi. Uh-oh. Oh no, do I have coronavirus? Bronchitis. Well, I also have bunions. I forgot I had that. Alright, maybe I should go to the doctor for bunions. No, she likes me. Insult her. Ow! Uh-oh. Okay, now she hates me. Good, good, good. We do not want her to like me. Not at all. Like 47 minutes in now. Goodness gracious. Aiden died. I didn't know cats could get diabetes. Okay, Kiana Morgan really hates me now, and she's almost dead, by the way. I wonder if I could sue her. Yeah! Yay, now she really hates me, because she had to pay me money. Ha! Okay, good. Now she's definitely not going to go to my funeral. Definitely, 100% not going to go to my funeral. Insult her. Stupid. Why did our relationship go up after I insulted her? I don't understand that. She's still not going to go to my funeral. It's in the dark red. Oh, Savannah retired. Savannah Black. Harry Kim kind of likes me, but, I mean, it's still in the dark red. Licking butter. Okay. Just training not to do that. We gotta work on your behavior, Lucy. I'm gonna give you a lemon, because I'm nice. And also because I want to get the ribbon. This is a very long episode of Bitlife, and I've only lived one life. Yes! Kiana died. Oh no, Leo died. Rip Leo. Wow, you care more about your cats dying than your sister, your stepsister. I mean, she always hated me. She always attacked me. Oh, this is our second cat named Foxy. Lucy pooped on my pillow. Reward her. Reward her. Alright. We're 90 years old. We don't want to get the geriatric ribbon. I doubt we will. We don't have good health. Or we don't have really good health, you know. We don't go to the gym. We don't practice martial arts. We don't do diet. Ollie died. No. Okay, I have an idea. Alright, we're gonna name our cat. Subscribe Cubby. No! Sub to Cubby. Okay, sub to Cubby. Okay, sub to Cubby. No, Foxy died. Come on, sub to Cubby. That's what our cat's named. Sub to Cubby. Right, we need to get a new cat, by the way. Goodness, 50 minutes in. We're still alive. Alright. Let's name a cat Striker X and see how long it lives. Striker X! No, it's not Stiker. Striker X. Your cat is now named Striker X. Rebel died. No. Alright, let's get my looks up, I guess. Much sexier. Alright, a new cat. I'm gonna name this cat Fuzzle Boy. There we go. I'm gonna give everyone shoutouts in the form of Bitlife pets. Also, we need to die, because my screen recorder, after an hour, it doesn't save what you recorded. So if you record on the screen recorder for more than an hour, it doesn't save anything. So I have to finish this life in 9 minutes, or else none of it's gonna save, and you won't be watching this video. Are we still recording? Okay, yeah, good. We're still recording. Bear died. Alright, new cat. What should I name this cat? Sims Viking. There we go, the Sims Viking. There we go. We're giving everyone shoutouts. Sub to Cubby, Striker X, Fuzzle Boy, Sims Viking. Everyone gets a shout out. You get a shout out. You get a shout out. Everyone gets a shout out. No, Lucy died. Okay, you know what that means. It's time for another shout out. SSC Bro. SSC Bro. Alright, now all of our pets are shoutouts. We got Sub to Cubby, Striker X, Fuzzle Boy, Sims Viking, and SSC Bro. Who will die next? Or will I die next? Oh no, Sims Viking has escaped. This is actually kind of parallels real life, because the Sims Viking quit their YouTube channel. Oh no, the Sims Viking died. No, rip Sims Viking. Right. Time to get a new shout out. Cat. This cat is going to be Retabon. We're still alive. How? Alright, next Sub to Cubby might die. Sub to Cubby's 7 years old. And Striker X is... Oh, Striker X is actually older. Striker X is 8 years old. Fuzzle Boy is 7. And SSC Bro is 4. Alright. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, we might die now. Oh, okay, well I got cured. We're still alive! How are we still alive? We're literally 100 years old. We're a centurion. Goodness. Okay, Striker X is about to die. No, Fuzzle Boy died! Rip Fuzzle Boy. Oh, sad. Alright, who are we gonna do next? I guess now we're going to get, I think their name is Twin Gods. Yeah, Twin Gods. There you go, you get a shout out. Everyone gets a shout out. SSC Bro's drinking whiskey. Reward him. Isn't he cute? That sounds kind of gay if you aren't talking about cats. Right, Twin Gods. Here, get a chicken flavored. Oh no, Sub to Cubby died. Striker X is still alive. Is Striker X gonna outlive all my cats? No way. Alright, I think we're running out of shoutouts. Ooh, XY. I forgot about XY. I'm sorry. Here, you get a shout out. XY. Awesome, man. There we go. I can't believe Striker X is still alive. Striker X is about to die. Rat Bond's licking butter. Rat Bond's actually a girl, I just realized that. Who cares? Shave off my eyebrows. Oh no, I'm going into depth. Oh no, oh no. No, Striker X died. I'm running out of money. Oh no. Twin Gods died. Alright, we got SSC Bro, Rat Bond, and XY Awesome Man. Who do you think is going to survive? FSC Bro, Rat Bond, or oh my goodness, we're almost at an hour. Or XY Awesome Man. No, they all survived. Yeah, we got Cat Lady. Let's go. Okay, well, it turns out FSC Bro, Rat Bond, and I forgot who else. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing Bitlife episodes. But that's all for now. I'm Striker, and goodbye.